You own, operate or build wind farms. Your wind turbines are ideal spot for storms. 60% of the damage observed on the blades is due to the lightning. Most wind turbines are equipped with lightning arresters. But in case of an imperfection of the surface of the blade, a lightning strike can impact it outside the receivers and thus cause big damage. The RLD connected box by Visiondrone installs rapidly, without changing the design of your wind turbines. It fits in any type of wind turbines, offshore or onshore. The interconnection of the devices ensures that the information will be sent back, even in case of power failure. Once in place, no specific action is required. An impact, an alert. Stop your wind turbine while inspecting the affected blades. Depending on the inspection results, send it back to production immediately or arrange repairs. The RLD connected box by Visiondrone ensures you are notified 24/7 if one of your wind turbines is impacted by lightning anywhere in the world. You have real-time statistics, thanks to an accurate timestamping and measurable intensity available on the cloud. You are proactive about lightning-related incidents. Set up actions of protection of the material. Perform a visual inspection. Certify to your insurance or other organizations that actions have been taken to manage this event. Perform repair work as soon as possible to prevent the damage from getting worse. Limit production losses. With the RLD connected box by Visiondrone, boost your productivity.